Welcome to the try exercise solution for lesson 7 of the basic algebra in full series, which is on algebraic fractions. So for this first one, as you can see, all the denominators are the same. So we just add or subtract across depending on the operator we see. And don't also forget that the variables will go to the numerator because it's beside the fraction. So this gives us 6x plus 1x or just x minus 4x all over 9. Solving this further gives us 6 plus 1, 7, 7 minus 4, 3. So this is 3x over 9. If we simplify this further, 3 will divide 3, 1, 3 will divide 9, 3. So the answer here is 1 over 3x, or simply x over 3, because we know that the x will go to the numerator. So that's the final answer. For this second try exercise, we see that all the denominators are different. So it means that we cannot add or subtract across. We have to first of all force them to have the same denominator. So the method we will use here is the LCM method, since these fractions seem simple and straightforward. So this gives us the LCM here will be 20. That is the LCM of 10, 5, and 20 is 20. 20 divided by 10 is 2. 2 times 7, 14. So that is 14a. Minus 20 divided by 5 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. So that is 12a. Plus 20 divided by 20 is 1. 1 times 9a is 9a. So if we solve further, 14a minus 12a gives us 2a. And then 2a plus 9a gives us 11a. So the answer here is 11a over 20. And that becomes the final answer. Now for this third try exercise, again, the denominators are different. Remember we said that the fact that they both have x doesn't make them like terms or anything like that, and that the focus in fractions is always the denominator. So we are going to use the same LCM method here, but since we don't know what x is, we cannot find the LCM. So this is why the alternative is always better to know. So what are we going to do here? The LCM will simply be x times x minus 2. If you remember the last lesson on removing brackets and creating brackets, you will know that this is how we write it when we are multiplying this x and this x minus 2. So let's go ahead and use the LCM method to solve it and get the final answer. X into x minus 2 divided by x minus 2. X minus 2 will cancel out up and down. So we will have x left. Then that x multiplied by 4 gives us 4x. Then minus this x into x minus 2 divided by x gives us x minus 2. Then times 3. It will give us 3 into x minus 2. Now you see the interconnected nature of mathematics. We now have to fall back to what we learned in the last lesson, which is removing brackets. So if we remove the brackets, it gives us 4x minus 3x plus 6. That's when we open the bracket above, over x squared minus 2x. That is when we open the bracket below. Or if you don't want to open the bracket below, you can leave it that way. It's still okay. Now to solve to get the simplest form, 4x minus 3x above gives us x plus 6 above. Then below we have x squared minus 2x. So this becomes the final answer. Or if you want to leave it without expanding the brackets below, it gives us x plus 6 over x into x minus 2. This is also an acceptable answer. Now for this fourth and final and most advanced try exercise, I love it specifically because it combines a lot of things we've learned so far, especially the last lesson on removing brackets. Now if you recognize that this half or 1 over 2 is multiplying this big bracket here, and inside that big bracket we still have minus 3 over 4 multiplying this, then plus this other bracket that has 1 over 3 outside that is multiplying it. So to solve this, the first thing we'll do is to remove the brackets. Remember, you must remove brackets before you proceed anytime you see brackets, because you know that brackets won't be in your answer. So this gives us, starting with the inner brackets first, 1 over 2 into 4x squared minus 3 over 4x squared plus 3x over 2. When you multiply, that's what you get. Then plus 3 minus x cubed over 9. Now we have one more bracket, so let's take that off. 2x squared minus 3 over 8x squared plus 3 over 4x. Then we put the other ones that are already outside the brackets, plus 3 minus x raised to power 3 over 9. Now, at this point, we are seeing a lot of terms. Some are fractions, some are whole numbers. Now, the aim of this question is not necessarily to get everything to have one common denominator. It's just to get an answer as simple as possible. So, what I will do now is to group these terms based on the power of x in their numerator. I'm not talking about denominator. Remember in the main lesson, we said in the denominator, we are not really concerned about like or unlike terms or the power of x or the power of y or the power of the variable. So I'm now saying the numerator, which is similar to whole numbers if you are looking at it mathematically. So I'm going to group these terms based on the power of x in their numerator. So that means that I'm looking at this, which is x raised to power 3. This, which is just x with no power, with the power of 1, I mean. This, which is a whole number. And then these two, which are x raised to power 2. These brackets are inserted are not correct. I'm just using it to show you something. In fact, let me change it to circles so people don't think they are brackets and then start getting confused. So this is how we are going to look at these terms and solve them and then put the answer in that way. One answer with the x raised to power 3, the other one with x raised to power 2, the other one with x, and then the one with the whole number. So based on what we've said now, it means that these three are ready to appear in the answer, but this particular one with x squared is not yet ready because we still have two terms. So what do? I will put over 1 over this 2x squared and then see if I can simplify these two. So to do that, I find the LCM. LCM of 1 and 8 is 8. So 8 divided by 1 gives us 8. 8 times 2x squared gives us 16x squared. Minus 8 into 8 is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. So this is 3x squared. So we still put this plus 3 over 4x plus 3 minus x raised to power 3 over 9. If we simplify this further, 16x squared minus 3x squared gives us 13x squared. So this is 13x squared over 8 plus 3 over 4x plus 3 minus x raised to power 3 over 9. Now this is the answer, but based on the alphabetical convention I've been talking about since the beginning, it's better to start with the higher power and then go downwards. So we are going to write this as minus x raised to power 3 over 9. Remember, I'm not leaving the operator ownership. Then the next power is x squared, which is this. So that gives us plus 13x squared over 8. Remember, operator ownership, that's where this plus came from. Then plus 3 over 4x, then plus 3. And then this will be the final answer. So you see how everything we've learned from lesson 1 up to this point applies. So your knowledge of mathematics should not be segmented. It should be your own. It should be whole. It should be something you use everywhere so that you'll be sure that you are following mathematics correctly. So this is the end of the try exercises. If you want more, check mathinfo.com. There are so many more you can do there and make your confidence better. Keep studying and remember, in mathematics, it's all connected.